Have you ever wondered how to earn money while you sleep? Imagine a life where your bank account grows, not just when you're hustling at work, but even when you're resting, traveling, or simply enjoying time with your loved ones. Welcome to the power of passive income. Passive income is money earned with minimal activity or even no work at all, thanks to careful planning and smart work. It's the secret sauce of many successful entrepreneurs and the pathway to financial freedom. It's about making your money work for you rather than you working for your money. It's through online businesses, investment portfolios, or rental properties. The possibilities for passive income are vast and varied. The key is to select the right strategies that align with your skills, interests, and financial goals. So, are you ready to unlock the secrets of earning passive income? Stay tuned as we delve into the 10 crucial steps to build a successful passive income. The first step to earning passive income is selecting the right niche. It's like planting a seed. The type of seed you choose will determine the kind of fruit you'll harvest. A niche in this context refers to a distinct segment of a market. You want to choose one that's high in demand and profitable. But how do you do that? Here's a simple way to start: research. Look into current market trends. What are people talking about? What products or services are they consistently investing in? Paying attention to these trends can give you a clue into what's in demand. Then look into the profitability of these niches. You want a niche that not only attracts customers but also brings in a good profit margin. Don't rush this process. Take your time to study and understand the market needs. It's worth the effort. Remember, a well-chosen niche can be the foundation of your passive income journey. Once you've chosen your niche, it's time to create high-quality content and master SEO. Creating valuable, engaging content is like putting out a welcome mat for your audience. It's about providing information that answers their questions, solves their problems, or simply brightens their day. But it's not enough to just make great content. It needs to be tailored to your audience's interests and needs. So how do you do that? By understanding your audience. What are their pain points? What do they want to know more about? What are their hobbies or interests? But creating high-quality content is only half the battle. The other half? Getting people to actually see it. That's where search engine optimization, or SEO, comes into play. SEO is like a roadmap that leads search engines to your content. It's the process of making your content easy to find and understand for both people and search engines. Think of it this way. You've baked the most delicious cake in the world, but it's no good if no one knows it exists, right? SEO is like sending out invitations to your party, ensuring that your cake gets the attention it deserves. So how does SEO work? It's all about keywords. These are the words and phrases that people type into search engines when they're looking for something. By identifying the right keywords, you're essentially predicting what your audience will be searching for. Once you've got your keywords, you sprinkle them throughout your content like magic fairy dust. But remember, don't overdo it. Search engines are smart, and they don't like it when you try to trick them. But SEO isn't just about keywords. It's also about creating an easy-to-navigate website, having fast loading times, and ensuring your site is mobile-friendly. And don't forget about backlinks. These are links from other websites to yours, and they can give your SEO a major boost. With top-notch content and SEO, you're well on your way to earning passive income. Now that you're attracting an audience, let's talk about monetization and email marketing. Monetization is how you turn your traffic into tangible income, and there are several strategies you can employ. One of the most popular ways is affiliate marketing, recommending products or services to your audience and earning a commission on any sales made through your referral link. It's a win-win situation. Your audience gets a product they need, and you get a cut of the profits. Then, there's advertising. This could be through banner ads, sponsored content, or even video ads. Remember, the key here is to ensure the ads are relevant and add value to your audience's experience. You don't want to turn people away with intrusive or irrelevant promotions. Another approach is selling your own products. This could be anything from an ebook or online course to physical products or services. Your audience is already interested in what you have to say, so why not offer them something that delves deeper into the subject matter? Now, on to email marketing. Building an email list is like having a direct line to your audience's inbox. It's a powerful tool for fostering relationships, providing value, and promoting your products or services. Think about it. When someone hands over their email address, they're giving you permission to contact them directly. This gives you a unique opportunity to share exclusive content, offer special discounts, and engage on a personal level. Plus, unlike social media platforms, you own your email list. It's not subject to algorithm changes or platform rules. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility. You don't want to spam your audience with constant sales pitches. Instead, focus on delivering value and building trust. Show them that you respect their inbox, and they'll be more likely to engage with your emails and ultimately convert into paying customers. With effective monetization and email marketing strategies, your passive income stream is starting to flow. And that's a win for everyone. As your passive income grows, it's time to think about automation, outsourcing, and diversification. Automation is a game changer. It's like having a tireless army of virtual assistants working around the clock. With automation tools, you can streamline your online business processes. From scheduling social media posts to sending out emails, you can put repetitive tasks on autopilot. This not only saves you time, but also minimizes human error. And while these digital tools are at work, you can focus on strategic growth and expansion. Speaking of growth, don't shy away from delegating tasks. Outsourcing to freelancers or virtual assistants can free up your time, allowing you to focus on the big picture. By entrusting tasks such as content creation, customer service, or technical support to skilled professionals, you're investing in the quality of your business operations. Remember, your role is to steer the ship, not to get caught up in every minor detail. Now let's talk about diversification. Just as a savvy investor diversifies their portfolio to spread risk, you too should consider diversifying your passive income streams. This could mean exploring different investment options like stocks, real estate, or cryptocurrencies. Think of it as planting different seeds in your financial garden. Some might flourish immediately, while others might take time to bear fruit. But in the end, you'll have a lush, diverse garden of income streams. Diversification also applies to your business. You can diversify your products or services, target different markets, or even start a new venture altogether. The goal is to not put all your eggs in one basket. By spreading your resources across multiple avenues, you're increasing your chances of success and stability. By automating, outsourcing, and diversifying, you're not just earning passive income, you're building a passive income empire. And remember, every empire starts with a single step. So start today and let the magic of passive income transform your life. The final steps in your passive income journey are continuous learning and scaling. In the ever-evolving digital landscape, staying updated with the latest industry trends is not just an option, it's a necessity. It's like being a surfer. You need to keep an eye on the wave patterns to ride them successfully. Similarly, the waves of change in the digital world can either make you or break you. So how do you stay on top of these waves? It's all about continuous learning. This could mean subscribing to industry newsletters, attending webinars, or networking with other entrepreneurs. It's about keeping your finger on the pulse of what's happening out there. It's about being open to new strategies, technologies, and ideas that could potentially revolutionize your passive income streams. Remember, the key is to adapt and evolve, not just to survive, but to thrive. Now let's talk about scaling. So you've got your passive income stream trickling in. That's great. But why stop there? Why not turn that trickle into a torrent? This is where scaling comes into play. Scaling is about reinvesting your profits into new ventures or expanding your existing ones. Think of it as planting seeds. The more seeds you plant, the more trees you'll have, and the more fruit you'll reap. Whether it's expanding your content, branching out into new niches, or investing in advertising, the goal is to maximize your income potential. But remember, scaling is not about reckless growth. It's about strategic growth. It's about knowing when to push forward and when to hold back. It's about analyzing your performance, understanding your audience, and making informed decisions. In conclusion, continuous learning and scaling are the final pieces of the passive income puzzle. They're about staying adaptable, seizing opportunities, and growing your income strategically. So keep learning, keep scaling, and most importantly, keep dreaming. With continuous learning and strategic scaling, your dreams of earning money while you sleep can become a reality. As we draw closer to the end of our journey, let's take a moment to reflect. We've covered a lot of ground today, from understanding the power of passive income, selecting your niche, creating content, mastering SEO, monetizing your efforts, getting into email marketing, automating, outsourcing, diversifying, and continuously learning and scaling. It may seem overwhelming, but remember, every empire starts with a single step. It's about taking that initial leap of faith and then consistently working towards your goal. Don't worry about getting everything perfect from the get-go. It's more important to start and learn as you go along. And remember, you're not alone in this journey. There's a whole community of entrepreneurs out there, just like you, who are learning, growing, and succeeding. So don't let fear or doubt hold you back. Take that first step towards your passive income empire today. Start by selecting your niche or creating your first piece of content or setting up your website. Whatever it is, just start. Let the magic of passive income transform your life. It's a journey filled with learning, growth, and yes, a few hurdles along the way. But the rewards, they're worth every single step. So start today. And remember, the only limit to your success is your imagination. So dream big, work hard, and let the magic of passive income transform your life.